philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time. And take your time.